Afternoon, sir. This is our activity interview video, sir. My name is Gian Itosoy and this is my partner.
Lester Coryas.
Sister, this is your reflection questions. Number 1, what is one challenging experience you have overcome in the past year?
One challenging experience I faced was balancing school requirements with personal responsibilities. At home, it was stressful managing decline while also taking care of family duties.
Number 2, what personal qualities or strategies help you get through it?
My patience, time management, and determination helped me. I created a study schedule, asked for help when I needed it, and reminded myself of my goals.
Number 3, what did you learn about yourself during that time?
I learned that I am capable of handling more than I thought. I realized I can stay strong under pressure, and that asking for support is not a weakness.
Okay, number 4, what are the current sources of stress in your life?
Currently, my stress comes from academic, work, expectations, and pressure to balance rest with productivity.
Number 5, the last number, what support or strategies might help you cope better?
I think taking breaks, journaling my thoughts, practicing mindfulness, and talking to trusted friends or mentors would help me cope better.
This is my resilient plan. One personal strength to remember, my strength and perseverance. I don't easily give up even when the situations feel tough. One positive affirmation, I am capable, strong, and I can handle challenges one step at a time. One resilience strategy to try this week. This week, I will practice journaling at least 10 minutes every night to release stress and reflect one positive lesson. I will also remind myself to pause and take mindful breaks instead of pushing myself until exhaustion.
This is my mini resilience plans. One personal strength to remember, I am resilient and adaptable when facing challenges. One positive information, I am capable of overcoming difficulties and growing stronger each day. One resilience strategies to try this week. Journaling for 10 minutes daily to release stress and reflect on positive moments. Gian, this is your first question. Which is one challenging experience you have overcome in the past year?
One of my biggest challenges I faced this past year was adjusting to online and face-to-face classes while managing personal responsibilities at home. At times, it felt overwhelming because I had to meet deadlines, prepare for exams, and still help with family's tasks.
Second question. What personal qualities or strategies help me get through it?
What helped me most was being disciplined with my time and staying consistent with small routines. I also relied on my determinations. I reminded myself that even small progress is still progress. Talking my friends and family for support also gave me strength because it reminded me that I wasn't alone and I was going through.
Third question. What did you learn about yourself during the time?
I've learned that I am more resilient than I thought. Even when I felt like giving up, I pushed myself to continue, and that showed me that I have the ability to adapt and find solution.
Fourth question. What are the current source of your stress in your life?
Right now, the biggest sources of stress for me are academic workload, meeting expectations, and balancing my responsibilities. Sometimes I also feel stressed about the future, worrying if I'll meet my personal goals and succeed in my chosen path.
Fifth question. What support or strategies might you help you cope better?
Some strategies that might help me are setting aside time for short breaks, journaling my feelings, and practicing mindfulness or breathing exercises when I felt overwhelmed. I think it would also help to reach out to others more often instead keeping everything to myself.